Na Outspy Show era VTFM. Evento konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM ekamida gaikachi.
Everaka, morning vibes to you all. Sending our morning vibes to all our friends who are tuning this morning all over the country. We say Andravinaka to all the friends in the Western Division. To all the hotel workers in the Western side. We say Bulabina. And welcome to Outs Palang Show. We came in kanta turang matagali mainate sa Balababu na beke hotel di Pulang Sarvanua to the white sandy beaches of the Atuyasawa. Kita usapa ando ceri bikim nian mataka di bagat ambil singa dentai. Arbinaka Samu arbinaka Eleno.
Yan rabinaka na turanga. Rosan, rokan na mataka na ni kuwa.
Rokan na the Yeah, well, good morning to each and everyone who's tuning inside the bus, inside the taxi, inside the minivan.
Yes.
Your own vehicle this morning coming to work.
Yeah.
Some of them are very, very late because of the weather.
Yes.
Dina.
Because of the weather, last night it's very, very hot. And like mid-dawn, like in the early morning, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, you can feel the breezy. And you can feel the cold. Coldness. So the coldness is make you sleepless.
Make your head heavy.
And you wake up this morning and your partner or your wife is waking you up.
Dina.
Baby darling.
Go to work.
Yeah.
Baby darling.
Yeah.
It's 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock. Wake up. Baby, please. I don't want to go to work. I just want to go to sleep again.
Off the alarm.
Off the alarm. You wake up, you sleep again.
Melina adelevo. Yan rabinaka. Mayroon talaga ba kamnikat sa ramaramatino ni sema bolito kamay. Yan mataka binaka ni kuwa. Bakit nga utokang baka na kyan na Wabi to kambang gori nambani sa nambambakaw. Woo, wonderful. And mataka bina ni ko ni arbina ka arbina kemni nangone. Ni sama politiko mai rende tuna. Dati ko na halon nangone ni serek tu na buling kay wati ko nan raki. Sang ni lebu ko nangone ning.
Santa mo tuna plan no. Hey, today we'll go and fetch some firewood.
Yes.
Kay wati ko nan raki bakay do tintala plan and tabo mataka dai. And we say arbina ka to all the campsite. Sa na Kemba. To all the students who will be taking part in the Milo Kachi.
Milo Kachi this morning and Rainbow Pigeon from Serua, Serua, Lotoka Maroons and Ra camping there and Kandavu. The students and the parents, I mean the players and the parents. Yes.
Arbinaka be Maraya, my Corvislo, na Corvislo, John Basuda and Ramaleka, John Kumar, we say Arbinaka to all our friends tuning from Barara Valley in Singa, Tokyo.
Right.
Thank you very much for tuning in and to each and everyone to the mother of the team. They are there in John Wesley College. John Wesley Primary School.
Right.
Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. All the best for the game today. Because this is the old players.
Yadala, but Kertona, one in Nakatiko Bertona, Timini Wayne Buka.
Oh, Sombo.
Arto way dili to my John Wesley Primary School.
Late to
Kada Tolanganga.
Ino Candelay Bulabo. Ino Candelay Bulabo from Australia. Thank you very much for tuning in to Kaniwaka. Bani Waka my Bulobi. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. There's an old man. There's an old man was like walking around in Lambasa town.
Right.
He have big beard. Big beard. And when he come like this, and he used to do this thing, the mirkoti.
The mirkoti.
Corn.
Oh, the mirkoti.
Corn,
yeah.
And one day, he went up to my uncle's place. And he was there lying down.
Joe Bulibarua. Samu Andasia, Willa.
Oh, Joe Bulibarua, Andasia. And he was there lying down like this. Lying down and was sleeping. And he feels something. My uncle, he got 6 or 7 sons.
Yes.
One of the sons came and saw the big beard sleeping on the sitting room. What is this? And he was small, And he was small. What is this? And he was touching the beard. What is this? What is this? And this Mirkoti fella sleeping. When he was sleeping, he feels something in his eyes. In his eyes. When he wakes up, open the eyes, he saw this one.
The small one.
The small one. The small one, look at, poking the eyes. My tumba. You want to put out the eyelid?
The eyeball.
My tumba.
Meron ko lalay eh.
Meron ko lalay.
Iya.
And that small fella
Yeah.
is very, the fingers very, very fatty.
Iya.
May tumba.
Wala eh.
And same time he was screaming, "Why tamale?"
Yeah.
The father.
Yeah.
"Why tamale? Oh, ayan de leu mata aku." Is orang tu pagmay ayos out.
Yan bina ka tuwi kam torang ni yan rambong ya taparo memba.
Right.
Pwede na ngata kay na matapyo kan yan bina ka na matag di kuar rusta.
Iya.
Bayan bina talang abi Rossi ni ngau.
Gori.
Luben ni Yata West. Or non ni Notitunga.
Notitunga.
Ano bina ka na matag di kuar. Who came first? Which one came first? The egg or the hen?
The egg or the hen?
Yeah.
The egg.
Okay, talo tak na taman reason.
Because the egg is before the hen. So the egg was there in front.
Right.
Maybe someone produced him above.
Yeah.
He bring the egg. When the egg was there and it's break, and then the hen come out. Same time the rooster come out.
No, I think the hen came first.
See, eh?
Yeah.
How come?
Because the hen is the one that lays the egg.
Iyo. Eh?
Just like human beings.
Right.
Maybe
Iya.
someone inject the rooster to bring the hen.
Okay, don't talo matag ko ngila ba?
Okay, so we were playing.
Iya.
We were playing in Lampas under 9 Madota team back then in 2008. Maybe
Iya.
2008 or 2009.
Iya.
Back then in Lampas and we were playing for under 9.
Iya.
Under 9 and we play with this guy here. This guy is Fiji rep too.
Iya.
Fiji rep. When we were playing and all the team was selected to the Madota team to go up for the main game, for the Melokachi.
Gona
Yeah.
Melokachi. Gitu
Iya.
yung Melokachi.
Main games
right.
for the Kachi rugby.
Yeah.
And all the team from Suba and everywhere will come. But that time, when you in level, we will see the team from Witilevu. They are very, very Buddha, big.
Iya.
Yeah.
Iya.
And then so we were training one afternoon.
Iya.
Team
And
from
mo-
Mongolia mo like them Messi.
Yeah,
Small.
Eh, meron ba kaya na tembar bucha suba?
And when we were training in the afternoon, our halfback injured.
Iya.
So we bring one 7-year-old fella. This fella was Fiji rep. We bring him,
And the name?
Bruce.
Oi.
Bruce Delay from Ngau.
Iya.
He bring the fella and tell the fella, "Wait, you'll have back." And the fella was excited
Iya.
because he want to play.
Iya.
And that time he is very, very, very monkey style.
Iya.
Speed, eh?
Yeah.
Speed. Yo. And the 9. And our first game with Namosi.
Iya.
Look at the boys from Namosi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Boy, they were very strong
Strong.
and tough.
Kuala
Yeah.
Batu. They different.
When I look at them, boy, they are very, very, very tough.
Iya.
So first kick off.
Iya. Pato siya wearing boot.
No, that time Pato.
Oi.
Pato, and then Pato. And our teacher used to be at the back.
Iya.
And guiding us. Wey, Lumuta.
Yeah.
Wey, tackle.
Yeah.
Wey, pass.
Right. Iya.
Well,
Uniform big.
Iya.
Huh?
Uniform big. Very big uniform.
Oh,
Small
those,
boy.
those small boys are Loma because they are uniform big.
Yeah.
They are small. But that time myself
Yeah.
was put in front line because I'm very big.
Iya.
That time was Buddha.
Iya.
And same time, our halfback kick.
And
the ball.
Mirikuti.
Mirikuti Mikon. Those Namosi squad, they kick the ball.
Iya.
And the halfback catch the ball.
Iya.
Ooh, Bruce catch the ball and start to do the monkey style.
Iya.
Poof! Step.
Iya.
Step, and speed.
Iya.
Speed from the line. Same time. One of the Namusikido.
Yes.
But never mind, he's 9 years old.
Yeah.
But the mine is very, very old.
Si Kelly Resunge. Brother bina kemrau.
And
Pati ko era. Iya.
tackle him. Poof! Tackle him and carry him up.
Iya.
And like to
Plant.
plant him like a dal.
Iya.
Poof!
Bo, tindalo taki.
Same time, one is stand up.
Laman rara ko.
It's on the ground.
Iya, iya.
And like thousands of people who are watching.
Iya.
And myself,
Iya.
wait, tadi gue mana apa?
Iya.
Mangga.
Iya.
Ano tu buli obi nung nana? Ano tu tu mama mo? Coba ko siya kay. Ese dito ko ni Gordy dati lagi tu.
Isa rangon itu guys.
Hey. Timini na tasiri halandas mabimbi be Kalveti Ratu Dorbo ni Navaka Singambu. Vasu volito natabe. Sena iyo.
Andemo napakasinga.
Napakasinga?
Iyo, ndemo ay, ndemo nganga.
Oh, wana na. Harun bito ko na tangi.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Hey, Bruce, what up?
Iya.
Ngendur mo ko sabut to menandena.
Iya.
Yo nangonen ko bikim ni kita na bioka ni ko kilay ko ya.
Iya.
Ni rele nandre na bekar sana matau si maui.
Iya.
Ona rete nangonan ko bia.
Becimni bitsaro ko.
Chimi bitaro ko ya.
Iya.
Areva?
Mai chimi bitaro kila ni ndura lang rele ko tena onongo.
Iya.
Kila mage mai mapu ambe ko ya.
Iya.
Darbongo ndara maksaran ko singal tibulo bula.
Raiva?
Nangonan ko ndara makan singal tibulo bula main tutu ni halfback.
Iya.
Ko sa pro.
Iya.
Apa itu na bubal na masandelay?
Iya.
May rewang ka baka kina be brusa, be ju,
Iya.
be tukas na bubal.
Iya.
Ene kabi binakan ni kuwa.
Ada benar kabe ya Western radada bina boleh besar nunggu atau talano. Sera yang bakin dilian nanggia ada benar ka London Inday ya nama tak ada dai. Baka kini bikin menindo kadar bito kan dulu main bunuh tapi nggak bisa mencumikin nanda aus palang iso.
Bule benaka.
Iya.
Era benaka sen rusimbai ba ruti adi be serai pakatala kino likin ang kau.
Iya.
Panu minati kuna tim nianta dati di Northland kapatu ki Dudley High School.
Iya.
Kana kami tani hoisi atangani wale.
Ada benaka, ada benaka rangon yang buning gitu yang singa benaka di kuah, yang matong lupen ya ta West. Nanti nang gitu ke neta siri, and singa baka ruwai. Terus sambil benaka talaga iyo, may nakoromata walu yang nama tadi kuah, yang rambul benaka. Sa. Western rata sih ya.
Andemo kanga. Binabalik sa to each and everyone who tuning in this wonderful morning.
Malitangi Jim, yara.
Iyo. Like, you share, you follow too.
Iyo.
In this wonderful morning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow,
Iya.
and share the live in this wonderful morning, yeah?
O peni na nga ta barusu kasartungan mata kami na kanikuha.
Oh, sudah rembongi.
Siya mati ko mayo peni na nga ta barusu kan ko na yan rembongi may natapara urusta maimba.
Dono kanto may Canada, tos dake. Vancouver, Francis Ratuvou. Ada benar ka may Vancouver.
Vancouver, BC.
BC ada birth certificate. British Columbia.
Let's go, yo.
Yeah, my Canada,
Pategad Wycliffe and Rev TFM.
Yan benar
Binata West tam bulo binak binak nang gito
Isa.
Rawai. Senru simbai ndong bulo binak may na Turtles Island Resort sa ganin ni Bono. Isang bulo binaka. Request to
boleh benar ka John Kumar. John Kumar. Iko na babon ng nunggu ka. Selina Vale, boleh benar ka, yan benar ka.
Benar boleh besar bikin menurut kanda kita usah nama tahu nama tewe kanigo. Malaka boleh besar lebih toka dan nama takalan tapi dengan kuah. Sota nama tak